So in this video, I'm going to show you a free social sharing plugin tutorial, WordPress 2020. So the free social plugin would look like this. So it will look like this on your website or like this on your website. Okay, so I'm going to show you one free and one paid one. But before I begin, guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So the first thing is I'm going to show you a free plugin. So this is one of my sample websites. So the free plugin is called, so all you have to do is plugins, add new. So the free plugin is called GrowBy Medivian. So it's a free plugin and there's an add-on as well. So I would just click install now. So once it's installed, and click on activate. Once it's activated, you can just go to the plugin. And then once you're over here, you could put a floating sidebar. Okay, so you could round it, show button label, show button spacing, show on mobile. Okay, you can show the share count, and you can save changes and click on visit site. So if I just click here, so as you could see, everything's over here and everything looks really good. So this is the free one, and you can add add-on as well. So there are extensions where you could add more things to it, but I wouldn't suggest doing it right now. So social network packs, share sticky, so there are a lot of things which you could add and integrate it, but this is how it is right now. And also the one which I'm currently using right now is by Elegant Themes. So if you just type Elegant Themes, so this one I'm using, Monarch. So they both are do the same function, but then I already had the license for it, so I was using this one. But for one of my website, I use this one as well, and it's free, so I would highly suggest this. So the name of it is quite tricky, GrowBy Medivian. So you could just find it out. All you have to do is click on plugins and add new and find it. So just click on add new and GrowBy. Just type GrowBy. This one, yeah. So it's updated 1 month ago. It's a new plugin and it's free and it has a lot of functions. So I would highly suggest it, and it looks really good as well. So that's it for today's video, and Yavar Khan signing off, and I would see you in the next video. And please consider subscribing, and that's it.